This video demonstrates the ability of Synchrotron Radiation Workshop to automatically download crystal data from the X0h website maintained by Dr. Sergey Stepanov at Argonne National Lab. We will demonstrate the automated access of crystal polarizabilities and susceptibilities for X-ray scattering and Bragg diffraction data. Scrolling down to the bottom of the SRW page, we select the Expert Users Only button, which takes us to a working area with directories and files that represent simulations. We go ahead and create a new folder called My Demos so that we can organize our work. We open this folder and we click on New Simulation. By default, we get a source type, which is the synchrotron radiation emitted from an electron beam passing through an idealized undulator. We create a name for our simulation, my X0h example. When we save the changes, the simulation is launched, and SRW immediately begins to calculate the synchrotron radiation, which represents the source. We can go ahead and skip from the source tab over to the beamline tab. Our beamline doesn't exist, so this working area is empty. We're going to use a crystal, which we grab here from the palette of X-ray optics elements. Under material of the crystal, we could choose to use SRW's built-in properties for silicon, but instead we use the properties that will be pulled dynamically from the X0h server at Argonne National Lab. And in doing so, you see here that it's set the diffraction plane angle, the crystal reflecting plane's despacing, and also the Fourier components of the polarizability. Close this window here, scroll back up to the palette of elements, drag down a watch point so we can see what happens to the radiation after it interacts with the crystal. We close that and save our changes, and SRW immediately begins to simulate. And here momentarily, you will see what the radiation looks like 1 meter beyond the crystal.